students, welcome to Vidya Mirat. This video is made for class 8 on chapter number 5 data handling, and today we are going to begin with exercise 5.1. Let's begin with the exercise. Question number 1. For which of these would you use a histogram to show the data? Now histogram is basically prepared on the basis of the class intervals, where there is a sequence of class intervals, like I can say 0 to 10, 10 to 20, which is as an equal interval of 10, or in any form I can prepare it. Now for the first instance, they are saying the number of letters for different areas in a postman bags. This is not a limited information. Okay, that means there can be n number of letters in one area, in another area there can be no letters. It can be difficult to represent it in a form of a class interval. I cannot prepare the class interval data from this, so histogram cannot be prepared. The height of competitors in an athletics meet. Yes, for an athlete, for a person, the height, you have a standard format, you have a limit for this. So I can arrange how many people or how many persons are there whose height is between 150 to 160 or 160 to 170 and so on. Number of cassettes produced by 5 companies. That is also beyond the things. You cannot limit into it any intervals. So we can say that histogram cannot be prepared here. Number of passengers boarding trains from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. at a station. So they are giving us a time limit. Of course, we can make a slot of 2 hours in between. Like I can say 7 a.m. to 9 a.m., 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. and so on. It can go up to 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. So time slot can be prepared for this. So we can say histogram can be there. Question number 2. The shoppers who come to a departmental store are marked as man, woman, boy and girl. That is M for man, W for woman, B for boy and G for girl. The following list gives the shoppers who came during the first hour in the morning. So much of data is provided to you. Make a frequency distribution table using tally marks and draw a bar graph to illustrate it. Now first of all, understand how to prepare tally marks. It is basically, first, like I will show you the data, the shoppers, tally marks and frequency. So all the shoppers are mentioned, M, W, B and G. 4 types of persons are available. So what I will do is, for the tally marks, the number of M's are there, I will put line. Number of W's, put line. So after 4, you put a diagonal line to make a group of 5. For then it becomes easy to count. So after every 4, the 5th M will be marked as diagonal on those 4 lines. Same way in the case of W, after every 4 W's are over and you have to mark the 5th W, you will draw a diagonal line on it to represent 5. So it is very easy. Now looking at this also, it is very easy to find out the frequency. For M it is 15. For W it is 28, for B is 5 and G is 12. So total frequency is 60. Based on this, I can plot the bar graph using the scale on the y-axis as 10 units. So there is a gap of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 60, 50. These are the number of the shoppers. And MWBG is marked over here. So I can easily plot like this. Question number 3. The weekly wages are represented for 30 workers of a factory rate. The wages are given. You can use tally marks. They have given us to make the class intervals from 800 to 810, 810 to 820 and so on. Now so on means just look at the figure which is your highest number series. If you look at all, you get, I think 890 is the highest number which is coming, which I can locate. So 890 means I have to write 890 to 900, which will be my last interval. Because what happened is, whatever is your line 800, 810, 820, 830, 840, 8 like that, 890, I will include that in that class interval. So if suppose it comes at the outer limit, that is 810, 820, 830, I will not include these into the class interval while doing the tally marks. So based on this, I have calculated and the total comes out to be 30. Draw a histogram for the frequency table made for the data in question number 3. Now for question number 3, we have this table made, we have the class interval, and we will plot this frequency according to this. So how we are preparing? So if you see, number of workers are mentioned on the y-axis and now weekly wages are mentioned on the x-axis. Now according to this table, according to this histogram, we will find out the answer for the next. Which group has the maximum number of workers? If you see the group 830 to 840 are the one who has the maximum number of workers, which is 9. How many workers earn rupees 850 and more? There will be 10 workers. So you can count it after 850 how many members are there. Count them, they come out to be 10. How many workers earn less than 850? So if you look at the less than 850 table, there will be 800 to 810 category, then 820, 830, 840, 850 if you have to take it in that way. So there will be 20 workers earning less than rupees 850. The number of hours for which students of a particular class watch television during holiday is shown in the given graph. Answer the following questions. Now looking at this table, we will answer for how many hours did the maximum number of students watch TV. So that the tallest one will be the maximum number of hours, that is 32 is the maximum number of students who watch TV for 4 to 5 hours. How many students watch TV for less than 4 hours? Less than 4 means you will include for the first, second and third. That means I will say for the 4 plus 8 plus 22 are the number of students who watch TV for less than 4 hours, which comes out to be 34. How many students spent more than 5 hours? So after 5, how many are there? 8 plus 6. So that means the slot of 5 to 6 and 6 to 7. So 8 plus 6, 14 students watch TV more than 5 hours. So based on the table, we were able to find out the following answers. This is all for exercise 5.1 children. Very soon I am going to come with exercise 5.2. This was very easy. Just look at the information and you try practicing how we can do the telemarks. Make a group of 4 and for the 5th one cut the diagonal line on it so that every group becomes 5 and it becomes easy to calculate. Thank you very much children for watching the video till the end. Very soon I am going to come with the next. Till then, see you. Goodbye.